Hey Doug, this is Andrea at Lifestyle calling you back. You all have amazing customer service. I'm just going to say that out of the gate, and I haven't even been to your shop yet. Give me a call back.
Okay, here is something that is really cool on this particular Audi, and I must note, what I'm about to tell you may not apply to your Audi, but we were able to do it on this particular Audi. We were able to program it so that if the temperature went below 38 degrees Fahrenheit, the heated mirrors will automatically come on, the heater controls will be set to full heat, front and rear defrost will come on, the heated seat will come on when you remote start the vehicle. If you start the vehicle with the push button in the dash, the heater controls work like normal and they'll just come on to whatever you had it set to before. So that is pretty cool, and it may not apply to your vehicle. Now, this client also opted to start their vehicle with their phone if they want to, because the Audi remote only works about 100 feet away, so they can actually start their vehicle from anywhere deep inside a building and far away. And as always, we use Audi-specific wire harnesses. This is Lou from Enormis. Thanks for watching.